Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. In our last video, we show you how to download and install LaserMaker. Today, we are taking the next step. In this video, we are going to do a quick walkthrough of the basic features of LaserMaker to get you up and running. What you're looking at is the default layout of LaserMaker. On the left, you have your basic drawing tool. At the top, you will find the properties for any selected item and settings, and you have also access to the preview window. This is what we will see later. The large grid here is your canvas, and on the right, you will manage your layers and control the laser, and have also different other panel, camera control, rotary system, and the gallery. If you look at the item in the drawing panel, you will see that most of them have their hotkeys listed. If you like using shortcuts, this is a handy place to find them. Many of the most common functions are just right-click away. This menu gives you quick access to the essential functions such as copy, paste, grouping, and it's a great way to learn the keyboard shortcuts. Getting your design into LaserMaker is easy. You have three different ways. First, open the file, so I will open this pretty hole. The second option is just to drag and drop them onto your canvas. Or you can also use the dedicated function import button on the toolbar. Navigating in your canvas is simple. Use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom or de-zoom, and hold on the right mouse button to pan the view around. If ever you get lost, use the full view pattern on the bottom toolbar to instantly frame all the objects in your project. For now, just hit create some basic shape. Line. Curves. The control key is your best friend for precision. You can hold it while drawing to create perfect square, perfect circles, and straight line as well. If you make a mistake, the undo and redo button has your safety net. To remove an object, it's very simple. Select it and press delete. For perfect placement, you can use the numeric input field at the top for precise sizing and preferred location. For example, this lets you keep your design neat and professional. Do you need a quick shape? No worries. LaserMaker built-in gallery has a library ready-to-use element. You just have to select it and drop it onto your canvas. To verify the dimension before you cut, you can use this measurement tool. So the measurement between 2 points. You can also take the measurement of the arc length, angle, radius, and create annotation as well. Ready to get complex, guys? No problem. The Boolean tool lets you combine the shape. Let's take an example. Just select all this one. I use the alignment toolbox, align all. And now that everything is selected, I just use my tool, my Boolean tool, and as you see, all the shape has been gathered together we have also a very handy function. This is the array. The array tool is perfect for creating grid and pattern instantly. Just have to input the horizontal count, vertical count, and as you can see, the selected shape has been duplicated in the array. And set up. This is the easiest way to reproduce all your shape. The mirror tool is also essential for symmetrical design. You can see here, you can mirror horizontally, vertically. This is just very easy to do. This lets you directly move the point of the shape. And for complete control over your vector, the Edit Node tool is where you can add new node, control the node that already existed, delete some, add, delete some point. You can even convert from line. Very powerful tool.
Now, let's put it all together to create our final project. We will add our text, group it with our hole, and then use the offset tool to create that perfect cut line.
Just go up. Here is my hole. I will just add simple text below. Adjust the size. That's good. Okay. Now let's use the offset function to create the cut line. Let's select my hole. That. Yeah, 20 seems to be good. Yes. Select it and just put it in a new layer for the cutting. Now, just add a rectangle around our. This is perfect. Add some rounded corner. Better in this way. Great. Center, select all. And center everything. Good. Now let's use the Boolean tool to make a perfect cutting line. Great. So I have here all my engraving parts and here all my cutting line. So now let's have a look in the layer tools. Just a small tip. If you right click on the layer, you will automatically select all the elements that is in this layer. So now just let's have a look on the layer part. So here, shallow array is perfect. I can choose here my material, but for me plywood is perfect. I suggest you here to select suggestive to just have access to the library that is available with for the different material. And here, my cutting lines, also plywood, set as cutting. And one thing, when I cut things, especially wood, the 𝐕 should be set to 1. And for the engraving, should be set to low. That's it. So with our settings diven in, one final check is the preview window to confirm that the laser will engrave first and then cut. So here, with the high speed simulation, and as you can see, first engraving, and then the cutting part. Everything is perfect. So now we can go to the final results. I go to processing and I just send my design to my Titan machine. Before we finish, let's have a look at the panel on the right. This is your command center to control your machine. The move panel here lets you jog the laser head. The camera panel gives you a live view of your workspace, allowing you to perfectly locate your design. For example, I want to break this one and cut this one on this wooden panel. I just resize it. Perfect. So easy. Here you have the rotary configuration panel, and here the gallery, as we saw before. And of course, the processing panel is where you will start your work. In our next video, we will dive into advanced software tools like the material test and the one-click creation that takes your project to the next level. Subscribe so you won't miss it.
And there you have it. We've covered importing, creating shape, editing, and setting up layers for a complete project. If you want to make this yourself, you can download the project file from the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy making, guys. See you soon.